can't stand film editing. It kept me off YouTube for a while, and now I've learned some very basic editing that at least gets my video published. Definitely not fancy. Today what I want to show you is how to nest clips and why you want to do that using Screenflow. In the description below, I'll put a link to try out Screenflow. I use Screenflow for Mac. I didn't like iMovie. I don't know why. I don't remember at the time when I started it why I didn't like it, but this has been much easier for me personally. Also has some music libraries and photo libraries and whatnot. But what I want to do now is I've created my video, and as you can see where it's split here, this is the audio on the top, and this is the video below. And I've done a little bit of editing, and that's why there's a divider in there, because I edited out part of the video. Now what I want to do is I want to crop the screen so that I don't have all the bookmarks and tabs on top, and I don't have my doc there at the bottom. And so I'm going to do a little bit of editing really quick, and I'm going to add just a little bit of text. Well, I don't want to have to edit each piece separately, so all I have to do after I've optimized my audio, if I want to, which is real simple by just clicking smooth volume controls, and then after I've done that, I go up here to edit, and I'm going to, actually I'm just going to select all. I just did that by clicking on it, and on my Mac I just hit Command A, and then go up here to edit, nest clips. There's also shortcuts there. And then what you see will happen is your nested clip becomes all one video now that you can edit, which makes this so much easier. So I wait until the end, and then I go back and do any cropping of the actual screen that I want. And to crop, all I have to do here is I'm going to click on that little video tab, go under cropping, drag up the bottom to where I want it, drag the top down to where I want it, right under those bookmarks. Then I'm just going to drag that down there, and then you can add a banner up here or some sort of branding. I'm stupid simple right now, so I'm just adding a little text. Move that text over to wherever I want it. I can make this all smaller here and just drag this over here, and then all I have to do is put that text where I want it. So everything's just pretty much drag and drop, super simple. And I'm just going to put in my name in case people are finding me for the first time, Lori Ballen, and then I change that size to 288, put it back to where I want it, boom, done. Again, you can just put, if you want to create a banner on Canva that you can drag up here, I have those too. If you want to put your picture up here, you can. Depends on what you're doing. This is where I'm going with it for right now. Again, stupid simple, and then I can export. So Screenflow link in the description below.